Iceland offers everything that an adventurer can look for. To be on the bike and riding on these roads, the gravel roads, even the tarred roads with very little traffic, you've got this feeling of being free. Iceland offers you this feeling that you're going to places and that you're really alone.
There's this National Road 1, but on the right side and on the left side you can always see nature.
It's just the landscape with the most beautiful waterfalls, the glaciers, the black beaches, the mountains that passes my eyes, and you just want to go further and further to find out more and more. That is traveling. It's not only seeing places, but that is basically seeing through your heart, and your heart lives those experiences that you will remember until you die at the end of the day. And if you don't have those experiences, you haven't lived life.
Not so many people can say, I was with Mike when he discovered a motorcycle in Iceland.
It excites me to be on a bike because you feel the wind, you feel the temperatures. In a car, we don't have those elements that we feel. So for me, to be on the bike is to be in the element of nature. I don't need to physically see the sun, because the moment that you can create the sun inside yourself, you live an experience that becomes unique and shapes your life for the future. So the weather doesn't matter as long as the sun is inside yourself. Once we go out on an adventure, to be with somebody like Cyril that won the Dakar 5 times, that can teach you how to properly ride a bike, is really important.
It's about sharing. It's about helping each other to discover and to enjoy as much minute as possible during these 24 hours.
When you're alone, you can only share that wandering mind with yourself. But to be able to ask the questions and interact on different topics with the rider next to you is what makes the perfect adventure. At the end of an expedition, that's when you're sad, because everything that you lived for, everything that you planned is now finished. But I always use the last part of an expedition or an adventure to prepare for the next one. I'm excited about this expedition and adventure finishing because now I can look forward to something new.
Deal.
Deal?
Pop.
Okay.
Pop. Pop. Pop.
That's it.